Hello friends, welcome to the Painting Hands channel. In this video, I'd like to show you how I paint flowers and a butterfly is sitting on the top of the flower. For today's colors, I'm going to be using 4 colors. Permanent yellow light, and this one is the Vermilion. This one, both this color for flower, and this one is the burnt sienna. Next one is a soft green. I have already sketched it, so I'm using washing paper with the Princeton number 8 Neptune brush. When you wash the paper, save flower and butterfly area. So because I don't like to paint loose style in background, that's why I want to make the background some blurry. What that means, I want to get some dreamy and fantasy feeling from background. So I applied enough water on the background, and I'm taking a mixture of permanent yellow light and vermilion color, applying the background roughly. And I'm mixing color permanent yellow and vermilion, and also adding a bit burnt sienna and putting on the first layer as a second layer here and there, and tilt the paper back and forth and side to side. I took a mixture of vermilion and burnt sienna and little bit dark brown color put on the around the flower area, and I'm using a spreadsheet with vermilion color. And what I'm doing now, I'm spreadsheet into brown with vermilion. It will be soaking into brown background, so tilt the paper again. So there's not enough size, so I blend it, make it bigger. Those are gonna be flowers far away. Move on to leaves. Take sap green into brown. So it seems like olive green color. For leaves, I'm going to draw my brush swiftly from the bottom of the leaf to top. Next, I'm going to paint flowers petals. I'm taking vermilion, putting on the backside of the petal area. And then paint the petal on the back with light vermilion, and on the petal near me, add with dark density of vermilion again. Now I'm using a bit watery vermilion color. I'm trying to some detail in each petal. And then save some stemmen, so I'm saved some white space on the center of the flower. I'm trying to one more layer on the back side of a pattern. So with a little bit thick density of a vermilion. And then between stemmen, I put some dark vermilion color. I'm trying to another layer, vermilion mix burnt sienna color. I'm trying to make sure the petal shape and stemmen. And blend it nicely center to edge area. Next, I'm going to paint on the lower part of the painting for the leaves. I'm mixing sap green and burnt sienna, and I'm gonna switch my brush from the bottom of the leaf to the top of the leaf. As you can see, the paper is dried about 80% or 80% or 85%. And this time is not good adding a damp brush. So you need to use your brush which has not much water. If you use damp brush, it'll be make some dark and dirty marks on the paper. And I changed the pointed round brush for detailing and making sure to shape the flower surely. I'm just using the tip of the brush. I come back again the flower petals. So I'm using vermilion and a mixture of vermilion and burnt sienna. Make sure the shape of the pattern. So I'm just contour, kind of contour line, edge line with this pointed round brush. If you don't have like this brush, you can just use the tiny brush. I'm taking yellow for the stemmen. Next, last step is drawing a butterfly. Draw contour with brown and making and drawing pattern of the butterfly. Just follow the pencil lines with the thin brush. Don't use the damp brush. This brush is almost a dried brush. Just follow the pencil line and draw some patterns, butterfly pattern. Here is the butterfly head and body. I'm just using burnt sienna and some part. Now I'm dotting on the butterfly pattern with the yellow. As you can see, this paper all dried, so you can paint with very simply dried brush. And then this one is the for stem, so I make sure the stem and some detail part. I'm detailing with reddish brown. I'm adding vermilion color, adding on the leaf area, and then draw some lines for some damaged part, and just I want natural looking. And finally, I painted a few flowers in a light vermilion to make them look like they are far away. Just to use the tip of the brush and sometimes wiggle your brush. Adding little bit thick color put on the center of the flower. Okay, we are all done this painting. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget subscribe and hit the like button. See you next time. Bye.